All right, so what's going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. So today we're actually going to be unboxing the JRL ONYX 2020B. Last clipper I had, last trimmer I had, wasn't too fond of the trimmer blade. The JRL clipper was phenomenal. I loved it. It was quiet. It had 2 speeds. It had a great blade on it. Came with the taper blade. I installed the fade blade afterwards. Fade blade made hell of a difference. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the ONYX 2020B. We're going to show you the contents in the box, how everything works, show you it being put to use. Then we're going to come back up. I'm going to give you my pros, my cons, and take it from there. Okay, guys? So we'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so today, this is what we're going to be unboxing, showing you guys what's in the box, how it's used. I'll read you a little contents on the box here. A patent reset IQ charge technology expands battery life. Patent cool blade technology, blade stays ultra cool and sharp after extended use. Equipped with JRL fade precision blade, helps get the fresh fade look. And an LED display indicates remaining battery time. And then we have an advanced lever locking feature, maintains a lever secure for extended use. 5 hours battery life. And when they say 5 hours battery life, that means on the slower setting, 4 hours on the faster setting. Patent smart clip technology featuring constant speed motor. It won't drag or stall, and very low noise, which I can definitely say is correct. And this is all the extra information. The speed, 6,000 at slow speed, 7,500 at fast speed. You can definitely zero gap. The blade does come with the fade blade, which is great. 5-hour runtime, as we said. It's a rotary motor. It comes with all the guards, half, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the information here, made in China. And here it's basically the exact same thing. And with the contents in the box, there's a charging dock, cleaning brush, screwdriver, high-grade plastic combs, 10-piece, lubricating oil, blade adjustment tool and protector, and charger adapter. So let's get into this box, guys. All right, so this is JRL ONYX. We're gonna put that to the side and show you guys what's inside the box under this plastic area here. So we basically have all the guards that was mentioned on the side of the box. We have the clipper protector, we have the zero gapping tool, we have the oil, and we have a little brush there as well. And the charging dock is actually, since I've been using it now for the past week and a half. Whoa, that's not good. Since I've been using it now for about a week and a half, let me move that. This is basically where I place my JRL right here. So this is the charging adapter, and it does have that new technology. Regular charge, fast charge. They do say that at least once a month, pop it to the fast charge, let it fully charge, basically resets the battery back to its factory setting, which is apparently supposed to extend the battery life of the actual clipper itself. This is the option you want to keep it on most of the time, except for that one time a month. And just a heads up, if you do decide to turn off all your power and turn your power back on, it defaults to this setting here, which is the 1 time per month. So what I like to do is I like to, when it's on the charger, I like to take it off at the end of the day. And then when I come in the morning, put my power on, click it over to normal charge, and then place it back in. So that's one little downfall. I wish it would just stay on whatever setting you have it on when you turn the power back on, but unfortunately that's not how it works. Now getting to the clipper, guys. Gorgeous clipper, all blacked out, matte black housing, which is nice. You know, like the last one, it had the shiny, so every time you would like cut, light would hit it, kind of blind you a bit. It's a little hard to see the LED screen underneath. What else? I actually do have it here. So this is the original, this is the ONYX. So as you can see, it's basically the same clipper. And a lot of people will be like, oh, it's the same clipper, there's nothing really different about it. But you know what? There's actually a significant difference. Yeah, it's shiny, dull. Still the same mat, same style lever, except this lever had kind of like a boom, 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 like a click lock into place. This one's a little more tactile, a little bit more sturdy, I think. Charging ports are still the same. Pretty sure you can still charge your originals on the dock, except the only thing is the reset doesn't work because it doesn't have that chip in the original. That's really the only difference. And the original comes with a taper blade, not a fade blade. Pretty much the only difference. And then when you get onto the insides is different. But this, the new one, you put it on fast, 4-hour runtime, but then you click it to slower speed, 5-hour runtime. So the slow speed is basically for fading. Fast speed is for bulk. That's what it is intended to be used for. But everybody has their own thing. They use it differently. Sometimes people will go fast with the fade, but then they'll go in later and do detail with the slower speed. Totally fine. Whatever you do, is whatever you do. That's basically the clipper, guys. Like, it's a gorgeous clipper. It cuts nicely. I'll include a nice clip of a full haircut I did. Next video I release will definitely be the Easy Blade that they just released, which is a game changer. But yeah, all right, let's go up top. We'll talk a little bit more about it. I'll give you my pros and cons, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, so we're back up top. Pros, I like it has a little finger indentation here. The others did not have that finger indentation. A very ergonomical fit, just like the last one. Very, very quiet, strong motor. Love the adjustable click lever. They've really improved that. I like that a lot. Like I said, a lot more tactile. It extends further open from what I've heard, but I don't really notice. I don't really pay attention to that stuff. And the fast charging. The fast charging is remarkable. Like, this thing fades like crazy. I'll show you in the video of the haircut. We'll get to it in just a second, but I really don't have any cons. Except for that charging issue where you unplug it, like say you turn your power off and turn it back on, it goes automatically into maintenance mode. I don't like that. I want there to be a memory. I want it to remember the last mode I had it in, which is regular charge. I highly recommend you guys throw this into your arsenal. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay real. All right? Catch you on the next video. Ciao, guys.